Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys Infinix phone guys Bluetooth setting, and I will show you guys how to pair Bluetooth device in Infinix phone. Friends, you want to pair any Bluetooth device in your Infinix phone, so how to pair now I will show you. First friends, we will on phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see your Wi-Fi setting, hotspot setting. So friends, you can see your more connection setting. Friends, click on more connection option. Friends, first aeroplane mode. Friends, you want to on aeroplane mode, you can on from here and you can off from here. Friends, OTG connection is also here. You want to use your OTG connection, you can on, you can off from here. Friends, click on your Bluetooth setting. First guys, we will on our phone Bluetooth. After on Bluetooth guys, you can see your available device. So guys, turn on your Bluetooth speaker and guys click on your speaker name, and guys you can pair easily your Bluetooth device. Friends, you can see your device name. Friends, Bluetooth device name guys you want to change, so guys you can change your Bluetooth device name in your Infinix phone guys. Rename option tap here. So guys your Bluetooth device name will rename. So friends, which device guys you have guys, click on this device, and friends you can see pairing option, and friends you will get a notification here pair option. So you will have to click on pair option and get the device will pair with your Infinix phone. So like that guys, we can pair guys any Bluetooth device in our Infinix phone device, and we can use this Bluetooth setting. So I think guys my Bluetooth speaker is off. So friends, you can pair from here. When you will click on pairing option, click on pair option, your Bluetooth device will pair. So like that guys, we can pair guys Bluetooth device and we can use Bluetooth setting. Friends, you want to off your Bluetooth, you can off from here. And guys, one more setting guys, you can click on search bar and guys search here guys Bluetooth setting, and direct guys you can find your Bluetooth setting guys. Click here and get direct you can on and you can off your Bluetooth setting from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.